Evening everyone, I am Lady Mascara. I will cook a clams today. This is our dinner today. Look at I'm bored, sorry. I cooking clams today. I put some vegetable spinach. Did you know all clams, this is good for having a baby. If you are breastfeeding a baby, this is good because they are producing a milk. I know because this is my experience. Because all of my 5 kids, I have a breastfeed before. I'm eating clams. Not only these clams, any kind of clams I'm eating before when I'm a breastfeed of my baby because they're gonna producing a milk. The baby, they're gonna be healthy, strong, and smart. That is true. I am not joking. Not only the woman having a baby, even though a man, they gonna give a feeling for the sex. It's true, that is true. That's called, this one, I don't know, it's called in Spanish, the one is shitty, shitty, I don't know what is that, shitty tamaris, oh, I don't know. But in Filipino, if you're eating any kind of clams, and then you make it a soup, and then you eat the soup, no, it's really good. They gonna having a milk your breastfeed if you having a baby. Yeah, that is true. Oh, maybe tonight I will tell to my husband. Even though I tell to my husband, but no more. Oh my God. This is good. It's peanuts. Before my mom, they gonna cook like this for me before when I'm a breastfeed of my baby. This is good. Don't put any kind of clams if you want. Even though 3 kinds of clams, but don't put shrimp. That's not good shrimp. Shrimp is not good. They gonna be patras. The shrimp is patras. Oh my God, I'm joking. It's better the clams, not the shrimp. If you eating clams, yeah. Even though you know what, any kind of clams, that's good, yeah. Because that one, I having a friend when I go to my friend, they having a friend, a doctor, and then she said she always eat the clams. If you are old, you are not like not good enough for your strong. Even though you cannot eat the rice, you can eat the clams with soup. That is good. That's true. Even though you cannot eat a rice, every day you can eat the clams with the soup, with the vegetable, and then you cannot eat the rice. This is good. Yeah. Any kind of vegetable that what you want, put in the clams, and then make it a soup, and then delicious. Oh, okay, bye bye.